Gorkha Youth Club Dimapur on Thursday launches an ambulance service for the people of Dimapur at Thaheku village. With the reduction in prices of petrol and diesel across the country, the citizens look happy yet unsatisfied as it still remains on the 100 rupees mark. Prime Minister Narendra Modi celebrates Diwali with the Jawans of Indian Army and distributed sweets and fruits among them. Welcome to Nagaland TV. I am Yashira and you're watching NLTV Primetime News. As the fuel prices were slashed on Thursday across the country after the government reduced excise duty to bring down retail rates from record highs, Nagaland TV went around in Dimapur to understand people's opinion on the same. The amount slashed from both diesel and petrol has been appreciated by the people. However, the prices remains expensive for the larger sections of the society. The petrol price has been cut by rupees 5.88 paise and diesel by rupees 11.81 paise. Earlier, the petrol price cost was about rupees 108.34 paise now, whereas it is rupees 102.46 paise. The diesel was earlier priced at rupees 100.60 paise. Now it is rupees 88.79 paise.
अभी तो सरकार बंद से रेट तो कम किया है, ये तो अच्छा की बात है। आगे भी और कम होना चाहिए क्योंकि पैसेंजर भी भाड़ा बहुत देने में थोड़ा गड़बड़ है। अच्छा कम होने में भाड़ा को भी पैसेंजर को भी सुविधा मिलेगा और हम लोग को भी सुविधा मिलेगा।
Government should see that the prices should be reduced more. This is not enough. Okay, this is not enough because the government is getting lots of taxes from here, and particularly the common people are the worst sufferer. So if they do not want to reduce the price, they will have to check the prices of the commodity, essential commodity that should be given, more, the price should be, and they should control the prices. Otherwise, this is just only the government of India is giving relief to the people in the name of Diwali. But otherwise, this is.
Eastern Nagaland College Students Union, through a release on Wednesday, has demanded deployment of teaching staff at Aboy Polytechnic Mon. ENCSU president stated that the government polytechnic at Aboy was functioning without a single teaching staff, but the students were made to join classes with other polytechnics through online mode. Furthermore, ENCSU pointed out that Wangching New Model College, which was inaugurated on February 3, 2019, was still lying paralyzed. The union said that several representations had been submitted, but the responsible authority chose to turn a deaf ears to its genuine demand.
Polytechnic, Aboy Polytechnic la tu, itu nathaka tu एक बार भी हुआ नहीं इतो गोले स्टार्ट तो होइसे होले भी इता भी टीचिंग फैकल्टीज तो इता भी एकता भी नहीं इता तक सो इतो निमित्ते आमान डिमांड करेছে
तो इतो पुला राइंगा सना किनगा आरो आपने तो इशू इतो रेस क्वेश्चन करना पुला
एक्चुअली इतो इनोग्रेट करिना थियरी इतो स्टूडेंट किबा करेছে तो स्टूडेंट तो एक्चुअली इतो 30 स्टूडेंट्स किबा আছে तो इताते सिविल इंजीनियरिंग ला कोर्स दिएছে Holibi to Tahan teaching faculties to Nadina in our Abraita Kumbag Polytechnic Colleges, right? Tahanke to teaching Kurase, online classes, Loese, Ulipi, they cannot be accepted. Our Kiki Ulipi Amane to student ke Shikaole teacher to Aboy Polytechnic to Kiki Ulipi like it.
To it allow board students can be complaining.
Ita to students can iku complain because ita students can do it at an online day, so no regular classes have been started, so ita tak to iku students are iku complain nai. But once the regular classes starts, then it will be a big problem because teacher na thagi na kina in class to shuru kro. Itu problem hobo itu ina aman representation to this time be dias.
Itu Eastern Nagaland College Students Union bra itu Wangching New Model College labor bi kotha kurise kintu itu paralyze ase hoina tu itu labor di অলপ clarification di dibo.
Yeah, sure. Itu Wangching New Model College to 2019 2nd February te itu inaugurate kurise. But whereas itu post creation api ita clear ase ulipi ita post creation to nakure. To itu right ita tak to building to ase whereas ita no staffs and all, no teachers iku lectures professors kan iku nai itu bishi problem dangor hoise itu right ki ulipi the student laga life to nekilo lage ki ulipi to college to phat start kurina itu post creation phat start kurina kuridina ki ulipi class to start kuro lage college to open.
Deputy Chief Minister and Home Minister of Nagaland Y. Patton extended his greetings to the Sumi community on the occasion of Api Kimthi festival on Thursday. Amidst Diwali celebrations, Sumi community of Nagaland is set to celebrate the auspicious Api Kimthi festival on November 4 and 5. On this event, MLA Y. Patton bestowed his good wishes and prayed for new beginnings, good health, greater love and happiness. He grabbed this opportunity calling for the unity amongst the denizens. Hindu Samsham Ghat Committee on Thursday held the inaugural program of the Gate Number 2 of Dimapur Railway Station. Notably, Gate Number 2 has been constructed to carry the dead bodies as Gate Number 1 serves to be inconvenient in the carriage of dead bodies from the main entrance to cremation ground. We have more on this. Let us have a look.
Whenever we comes here for cremation of dead body and for burning the body, so first of all we pray before Ma Kali, we say, our God, our goddess, Ma Kali, because we give priority to goddesses mainly. So this way we convey our prayer to God, Ma Kali, that all the Nagaland people, particularly in whole India, should be free from this corona COVID-19, and we have already conquered in Nagaland, because the number is decreasing day by day. All the people, even for all community, we are doing our best to help the people, needy people. And this time also in 2019.
Gorkha Youth Club Dimapur on Thursday launched an ambulance service for the people of Dimapur at Thaheku village. The launch-in program was chaired by Roshan Bishwakarma, while Ganesh Sharma, Superintendent DMC, graced the event as special guest. Notably, the ambulance service will run 24/7.
ইটোতো 2010 তে মই যেতিয়া গোৰ্খা ইউথ ক্লাব ডিমাপুৰলা প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট হৈছে তেতিয়া প্ৰাহি মই ভাৱনা একটা থাকিছিলে কি আমি আহান গোৰ্খা কমিউনিটি কাৰণে একটা এম্বুলেন্স লাগে তো মই 2010 পৰা 2016 তক প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট হৈছে আৰু সেকেন্ড টাইম যেতিয়া মই চান্স পাইছে আৰু প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট কৰিবলৈ তেতিয়াই মই আৰু একটা ভাৱনা থাকিছে কি ইটো দিস টাইম তো মই গোৰ্খা কমিউনিটি কাৰণে একটা এম্বুলেন্স তো কৰি দিব কিনা ঈশ্বৰলা মৰম পৰা আৰু যিমান বি আমিলা কমিউনিটি সিনিয়ৰ্স খান আছে যিমান বি আমিলা ইউথ খান আছে তাহান পৰা আমি কন্ট্ৰিবিউশন কৰি কিনা সব pra phale pra contribution korikina ekta ambulance second hand ase hoilebe amman gorkha community karane aro other community karane be etu kam lagibo karane ami han ekta etu koshis korise aro moi han ishwar ke bishi dhanyabad janai ase aji ami han ke ekta success kori dise etu ami han la ekta ki kobo ami han la ekta aji bishi khushi laga din ki ami han la community la gorkha laga jati laga ekta ambulance to town te birai kina every citizen humanity manuhan karane modot punchibo etu hi koi kina moi la kotha to ite
Dimapur Kangching Students Union on Thursday organized a get-together panel to shoot out at GHSS ground. During the event, Dr. S. Maisen Agh graced the event as the special guest, while he started the event with the first kickoff. The president of the union informed that the event is mainly organized to bring unity among POM youth. Notably, a total of 17 teams participated in the get-together panel to shoot out event.
First of all, A warm greetings to NLTV. This is Mr. Bitani Phom, Dimapur Gangching Students Union's president. Well, today's event, that is Get Together Binali Shootout, its aims and objectives is basically focused the get together of Phom community from Dimapur district. Yes, we all know Phom tribe, one of the major tribe inhabiting Nagaland, but it's a minor tribe through population wise. Yet we see lots of Phom people, Phom citizens residing out here in Dimapur. So we, the Dimapur Gangching Students Union, chopped out the plan. Why don't we organize something like today's event or something else where Phom citizens residing in Dimapur district can come together, have a chit chat, share brotherhood feelings, oneness and unity, for which it is a must for the youngsters to grow hand in hand through the feelings of oneness, brotherhoodness and unity in diversity. Yeah.
MLA and Chairman of the Committee on Subordinate Legislation, Nagaland Legislative Assembly, Dr. Choti Sazo has rescheduled the meeting of the Committee on Subordinate Legislation, which was originally scheduled for 2nd November 2021 to 8th November at 11 a.m. in the committee room of the Assembly of Secretariat. Furthermore, members of the committee have been requested to kindly attend the meeting as rescheduled. Under the Special Accelerated Road Development Program in Northeast, Futzero-Feg ongoing two-lane road between the Chainage 50+600 to 51+100, Deputy Commissioner Fek Razavoli Dozo notified that there will be total restriction of traffic movement from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. from 3rd to 20th November 2021. The restriction imposed is required to facilitate speedy completion of the two-lane works of Futzero-Feg Road. Public have been advised to avoid travelling in the aforementioned stretch during the stipulated time for safety. Continuing tradition of celebration Diwali with Jawans every year since 2014, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday arrived at Naushera sector of Rajouri district to celebrate the Festival of Lights with troops and uplift the Josh. According to reports, Prime Minister Narendra Modi celebrated Diwali with the Jawans of Indian Army and distributed sweets and fruits among them. Furthermore, PM Modi lauded the Jawans for standing tall in every condition and safeguarding the Indian borders. Earlier in the day, Prime Minister Modi took to Twitter to greet the nation a very happy Diwali and his wishes. The Prime Minister hoped that the festival would bring happiness, peace, prosperity to the citizens.
हर किसी का मन करता है कि दिवाली अपने परिवार के लोगों के बीच में मनाए। मेरा भी मन करता है कि मैं दिवाली मेरे परिवारजनों के बीच में मनाऊं, और इसीलिए हर दिवाली मैं मेरे परिवारजनों के बीच मनाने के लिए आता हूं, क्योंकि आप मेरे परिवारजन हैं, मैं आपका परिवार का साथी हूं। तो मैं यहाँ प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में नहीं आया हूं, मैं आपके परिवार के एक सदस्य के रूप में आया हूं। आप सभी के बीच आना, जो भाव अपने परिवार के बीच जाकर के होता है, वही भाव मेरे मन में होता है। और जब से मैं इस संवैधानिक जिम्मेवारी को संभाल रहा हूं, आज उसको 20 साल से भी अधिक समय हो गया। बहुत लंबे अरसे तक मुझे देशवासियों ने इस प्रकार की सेवा का मौका दिया। पहले गुजरात वालों ने दिया, देशवासियों ने दिया, दिया, लेकिन मैंने हर दिवाली सीमा पर तैनात आप मेरे परिवारजनों के बीच बिताई है। आज मैं फिर आपके बीच आया हूं, आपसे एक नई ऊर्जा लेकर के जाऊंगा, नया उमंग लेकर के जाऊंगा, नया विश्वास लेकर के जाऊंगा। लेकिन मैं अकेला नहीं आया हूं, मैं मेरे साथ 130 करोड़ देशवासियों के आशीर्वाद आपको लेकर के आया हूं। ढेर सारा आशीर्वाद लेकर के आया हूं आपके लिए। आज शाम को दिवाली पर एक दिया आपकी वीरता को, आपके शौर्य को, आपके पराक्रम को, आपके त्याग और तपस्या के नाम पर, और जो लोग देश की रक्षा में जुटे हुए हैं।
Border security forces and Pakistan Rangers on Thursday exchanged sweets at the Atari-Wagah border on the occasion of Diwali. Visuals of sharing sweets between two teams also came from Gujarat and Rajasthan. Furthermore, Indian Army and Pakistan Army were also seen exchanging sweets at Tithwal crossing bridge of the line of control on the occasion of Diwali.
Excuse me. Thank you, sir.
Congress President Sonia Gandhi has accepted former Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh's resignation from primary membership of the party. AICC General Secretary K.C. Venugopal said on Wednesday. Singh on Tuesday had resigned from the Congress, accusing party President Sonia Gandhi and Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra of hatching a midnight conspiracy to oust him. The 79-year-old leader had timed his resignation letter with an announcement on the name of his new party. Furthermore, the Punjab Lok Congress will be formally launched after the Election Commission registers it and allots a poll symbol. That is all for now. Keep watching Nagaland TV for more news and updates.